Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you some more problems related to arithmetic progression. Okay, so last class we were discuss about exercise 1.2 problem number 7. Okay, today we will go with problem number 8. So the problem number 8, they are given an AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12. Okay, so one AP is there. So there are 50 terms of which AP, which third term is 12. Third term they are given 12 and the last term is 106. Okay, find the 29th term. So an AP is there and there how many terms are there? Total it is 50 terms are there. So among of that third term is 12 they are given, last term is 106, last term they are given here 106. Okay, find the 29th term. So first of all, just you can see here, this is 8 question. Now A3 they are given, A3 is equal to how much? 12 given, A3 is equal to 12 given. Now A50, there are 50 terms are there. So A50 is equal to how much we have? 106. We need to find A29 is how much here. Okay, now very simple. First you can, this implies A3 is equal to, we can write A plus of 2D is equal to 12. Equation number 1 you can take it. Okay, now we have here A50. So this A50 is equal to A plus of 49D. A plus 49D is equal to 106. Okay, so this is what equation number 2. Now we need to solve equation 1 and 2. So once we solve equation 1 and 2, we will find the value of D. Okay, now here one minus, so this will come minus, this is what? Minus again. So here A get cancelled, now remaining 2D and here we will get minus 47D and this will get minus 94. Okay, so once we got minus 94, so D is equal to how much we will get? 2. So D is equal to, we will get here 2. So now we got D, now we need value of A. So how to find? Just substitute in 1 in equation 1. So this becomes what? A is equal to, we have, this is 12 minus of 2 into D. Now A is equal to, this is 12 minus of 2 into 4 it is. Okay, now A is equal to, we will get 8. So now you got here what? D and A. We need to find A29. This is very simple, A29. So now A plus of 28 D. Now A already we have 8 plus 28 into D, that means 2. Okay, now how much we will get here? 56. So 8 plus of 56. Now we will get here, this is 464. Okay, now A29 is equal to 64 we will get. 2 into 28. Okay, it is 60 means 56 and we will get here 8. So 8 plus 56 is 64. Okay, this is what? A29. I hope you understood this problem. Next one we have here problem number 9. If the third, let me read the problem first. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0? We need to find here. Very simple. So now question number 9. See what they are given. First we can write that. If the third term and ninth term, okay, so this is ninth one, third term A3 they are given, A3 is equal to how much given? Third term they are given here 4, okay, third term 4 given and next one more they are given here, ninth term A9 is equal to minus 8. Respectively, which term of AP is 0. So this we can write, this implies A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 4. Now this is A9 is equal to, we can write A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Okay, now we can solve this one. So this is what equation 1, this is equation number 2. Now this is very simple, minus minus and we will get plus. So these two will be cancelled here. Next we will get this is minus 6d, this is 2, okay, minus 60, and this will get 12, okay, plus 8 and plus 4 is 12. Now d is equal to, we will get here 6 2s are 12, okay, minus, so this will get here minus 2, d is equal to minus 2. Now once you got d is equal to minus 2, we need to find value of a. So how to find? In equation 1. In equation 1, so a is equal to, we can write this is 4 minus of 2d. Now a is equal to 4, keep as it is, minus 2 into d. This is 2 into d, already it is 4, okay. Now this is 8. A is equal to, will get again 8. So minus, keep as it is, and this is minus. Minus into minus again will get plus. 4 plus 4 is, will get here 8. Okay, this is A and this is D. Next, which term of AP is 0? So that means AN we need to take here 0. Okay. Now 0 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A, how much we have? This is, we have A is equal to 8, okay, plus term we need to find, that means n we need to find, D we have minus 2, okay. Now this keep as it is 8, now this is minus 2n and this is plus 2, okay. Now here these two will be 10. So now this 2 will be 10, this is minus 10, I will transfer this side, minus 10, this is minus 2n, so n is equal to, we will get 5. Its fifth term, okay, we can say its fifth term is what? 0, okay. So I hope you understood very well, okay. We need to find its which term is 0, so that's why we are taken an is equal to 0 we are taken, and we are substituted all the value. 8 plus 2 is 10, this we are transferred this side, so minus, so now minus 2n, minus minus get cancelled, so 2 5s are 10, okay. Its fifth term is what? We can say 0, okay. Next, okay, question number 10. So question number 10, let me read the question number 10. Just you can see, dear students, what they are given. The 17th term of an AP exceeds, 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term, question number 10 they are given, it's 17th term, A17 of an AP exceeds 10th, okay, A10 by 7, okay, A10 10th term by 7. Find D, okay. Now this is very simple. A17 how we can write? It is A plus of 16, D we can write, and A10 we can write A plus of 9D plus 7, okay. Now this A and this A get cancelled here very simply. Now this is 16 we have, okay, 16D, and this is 9D. This we can take this side, 7 keep as it is here. So 16D minus of 9D is equal to 7. So how much remaining here again? 7D remaining here, 7, okay. Now this is D is equal to, we can say 1. D is equal to 1, okay. So this is very simple 1 marks questions. So I hope you understood this question, okay. Well, now the next one. So which term of AP? Question number 11. This is very important. So question number 11. See, dear students, which term of AP? 3, 15, 27, 39. Okay. Question number 11. 3, 15, 27. Sorry, 3. What they are given? 3, 15, 27. Okay, correct. Then last 39, so on. Will be 132 more than its 54th term, okay, will be 132 more than its 54th term, okay. So this is very important question. Just you can see this, they are given A, you can write A is equal to how much it is, 3 obviously we have. Now common difference will get here, it is 15 and 3 will get here 12 common difference, okay. Now 132 more than its 54th term. So you know it very well how to write this one, okay. Now so this side I will write A plus n minus 1 into d, and this side 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, 54th term, how we can write? A 54 plus 132. Okay, this we can write. Now this is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to a 54. How we can write? You know it very well. A 54, a plus of 53, a plus 53d plus 132. Okay, now next. So this implies this a and this a get cancelled here. Next we have n minus 1 into d, and here we have 53d. Okay. Can we have d? Yes, we have here d. So now see, d we have 12 as it is. Now we need to find here n very simply. Now 53 into 12 plus 132. Now we need to do 53 into 12. 53 into 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 1 3s are 3, 1 decimal place, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5. Okay, 6, this is 3, 4. Okay, now, okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. As it is, we are written 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5. Okay, 6 will come, 3 will come, 4. Okay, plus 132. So now 132. Now this is 2 and 6, 8 will come here, 3 3, 6 will come here, and this is, okay, 4 plus it is 6, and this is 7. Okay, now this implies we have n minus of 1 into 12, and this is totally I will write 768. We will get 768. Now we can take this 12 into this side. So completely, now this implies we have it is n minus of 1, keep as it is. Next 768 by 12. Okay, now we can check 768 by 12 whether it is completely divisible or not. So 12 5s are 60. Okay, 12 6s will get here. 12 6 how much will get here? 72, and how much remaining? 4. So 4s are 64. Okay, so we'll get this is 12 1s and this is 64s. Now this implies we have n minus of 1 as it is. This is 64. This minus 1 you can transfer again that side. So n is equal to we have 65. Okay, what the question they are given here, just you can see which term of AP, okay, will be 132 more than its 54th term. Its 65th term is what we can say 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, so it's 65th term. Okay, so this is what how to solve this question. Okay, everything you can just put here d and just substitute all the values, calculate thoroughly, you will get your desired answer. So I'll move with next question. Okay, so this is very simple. Next question. See, so next question they are given here. I'm not going to solve 12th one. I'll directly go with what? Question number 13. Okay, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3 digits? You know it very well, dear students. 3-digit number will be start from where? Okay, so it will be start from 101, 102, okay, so on. This is what 3-digit numbers they are given here. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay, so first number 105 completely divisible by the what? 7. If you want, you can check it. 7 1s are 7. Okay, and remaining 3 35 5s are okay. 15s it will come, isn't it? Now 105 is the first number, and last number how much will get? 994. Okay, check whether it is correct or not. Now this is how much will get here? 1s are 2, remaining 29, 4s are, and how much again? 4 means it is 2 remaining 28, 1 remaining 14, 2s are 142 will come, completely divisible. Yes, now. Okay, so this is what we can say here. A is equal to 105, and last n is equal to 994, common difference d will get exactly 7. Okay. Now just you can see, now substitute everything. n is we have 994 is equal to a we have 105 plus n minus 1, d we have 7, 994 plus of 105, this you can multiply, you will get here plus 7n minus 7. So how much you will get? 105 minus 7. So is it, you will get here 98 plus 7n. Okay. Now this is 994. Okay. Now once you got this, again transfer this into this side. So what will be happens? It is 994 minus 98 is equal to 7n. Okay. Now minus it, how much you will get? 994, 98. So in the 14 means it will get 6. Okay. 14, 8 means it is 6 will get, and here 1. So now this is 19 and 10 will get again 9, and here 1. Okay, you will get 896. So this becomes 896 is equal to 7, and now we need to check. Okay, completely divisibility. So this is n is equal to 896 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1 will come here. Okay, now 19, now 7 twos are, okay, 7 twos are, then 14 means it is again how much remaining? 5 remaining, 56 eights are. Okay. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 128 will come. N is equal to how much? N is equal to, will get here 128. Okay. Yes. So what the question there, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? N is equal to 128, we can say here 128 numbers are divisible by this 7. Okay, from where? From 101 to 999. Okay, first number will get obviously 105 and last number is 994. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Okay, so some more examples are there, we will solve in the next class.